Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important questions based on current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the World Food Program, consider the following statements. First, it is headquartered in New York. Second, the World Food Program was formally established in 1963 by the FAO and the United Nations General Assembly. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, two only. So the World Food Program is the food assistance branch of the United Nations and the world's largest humanitarian organization addressing hunger and promoting food security. So it is headquartered in Rome. So the World Food Program was formally established in 1963 by the Food Agriculture Organization and the United Nations General Assembly. Hence, only statement second is correct. So this was in news because World Food Program to allot Indian wheat in Afghanistan. So you can read current affairs from basic newspapers. You can read the Hindu or the Indian Express. So this was about today's first question. So now let us discuss question number second. With reference to the drone pilot license, consider the following statements. First, the requirement of a drone pilot license has been abolished in the country. Second, Drone Amendment Rules 2022 stated that no remote pilot certificate will be required for operating a drone up to 2 kilograms for non-commercial purpose. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So the requirement of a drone pilot license have been abolished in the country. So both statements are correct. It is a gadget notification of Ministry of Civil Aviation. It has been said that the remote pilot certificate issued by a Directorate General of Civil Aviation approved drone school through the single window digital sky platform will be sufficient for operating drones in the country. Hence, both statements are correct. So this was in news because government scraps requirement of drone pilot license. So this was the news. So now let us discuss question number third. James Webb Space Telescope, recently seen in news, is an initiative of option A, NASA, option B, ISRO, option C, JAXA, option D, none of the above. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, NASA. So NASA's new space telescope has captured its first starlight and even taken a selfie of its giant gold mirror. Hence option A is the correct answer. So you can read more about NASA and its initiative, and you can read more about James Webb Space Telescope. So what would be the advantage of this new research or new telescope? So this was in news because JWST spots its first star in Ursa Major. So this was all about question number third. This was in news because of this issue. So now let us discuss question number four. With reference to Swami Dayanand Saraswati, consider the following statements. First, he was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj. Second, he was the first to give the call for Swaraj as India for Indians in 1876, a call later taken by the Lokmanya Tilak. So the options are A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, two only. So option first is correct, option first is wrong, and option second is correct. So Swami Dayanand Saraswati was an Indian philosopher, social leader, and founder of the Arya Samaj, a reform movement of the Vedic Dharma. He was the first to give the call for Swaraj as India for Indians in 1876, a call later taken by Lokmanya Tilak, denouncing the idolatry and ritualistic worship. He worked towards reviving Vedic ideologies. So, statement number two is correct. So, this was in news because nation pays tribute to founder of Arya Samaj, Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji, on his birth anniversary. So, this was all about question number four. This was in news because of Swami Dayanand Saraswati birth anniversary. So now let us discuss the final question of this video, that is question number 5. So with reference to the Pacific Island Forum, consider the following statements. First, it comprises 18 members. Second, it was founded in 1991. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer of this question is option A, one only. So five nations suspended breakaway plans from a crucial Pacific Island political bloc as US Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in the region. The Federated States of Micronesia, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Nauru, and Palau have agreed to temporarily rescind their withdrawal from the Pacific Island Forum. So, Pacific Island Forum was founded in 1971. It comprises 18 members. So, you can read the names of these 18 members, which are as follows: Australia, Cook Island, Federated States of Micronesia, Fiji. So, you can pause this video and you can read all the names of these 14 members which are in Pacific Island Forum. So, statement 1 is correct option. So, this was in news because Micronesian states to stay in Pacific bloc. So this was in news because of this issue. So you can read current affairs which is in the news nowadays. So that's it from this video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.